Hello everyone, good afternoon. How's everyone doing? Well, today is Tuesday, guys. And I'm here to answer one of the most commonly asked questions in our business. And the question is this a legitimate business or a scam? And guys, here's the truth. So, this is a legitimate global business, and we are partnered with a trusted company with over 50 years of success in the industry, guys. So this business is not a quick to get rich scheme, guys. This business is built on a proven system that works if you are willing to work. Hello, Ate Nita. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to exercise and doing go live. So guys, we have real products that have helped thousands. We have real training to guide you step by step. And we have real people like me, guys, whose lives have been transformed. Well, when I started this business, guys, I had doubts too. Well, it's normal since this is an online business. A lot of us will think that it might be a scam. So, but what I found in this is a community of like-minded individuals and a thorough training and the opportunity to build a business that I could run from anywhere. And besides, this business is legitimate because we pay taxes too. And if this is a scam, I won't be doing this go live or posting pictures of my family on our social media because I don't want to jeopardize my family and my reputation. So guys, if you really want to know more about this business, well, today is Tuesday, guys, and it's our webinar day. So if you want to know more about this business, you can check this out. And my link is on my bio. And you can register your email, name and email address, and you will receive an email on your inbox or junk or spam folder for the link to watch our live complimentary webinar, guys. But if you are not able to watch the live, you will receive a webinar link for a replay. So, yes, I hope I answered your question, guys. And next time, I will answer some of the most commonly questions as well. Next time, if you have questions, you can comment below. And I will be happy to answer it for you guys. So, for all those who are watching me right now, thank you very much, guys. I'm just exercising. I am doing this, not every day, because I'm walking and I'm just also dancing in our living room. And who is watching? I cannot see because it's quite far. I hope you can hear me, guys. Because I have this microphone, I can go farther. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you are enjoying your day or your evening. So guys, happy Tuesday again, and ingat kayong lahat dyan, and God bless you all. Bye!